to clean.
Robotic vacuums can develop undesirable and even unhealthy behaviors if they are left alone too often. One such behavior is lurking. If your vacuum spends long periods of time lurking, it may be depressed, and professional help may be required. Other vacuums may seem lost and wander aimlessly when depressed. Self-stimulating behavior, such as grinding, can be a problem and should be immediately addressed with sensitivity. Zooming repeatedly under low furniture is also seen in understimulated vacuums. Such vacuums may also interrupt you while you go about your daily routines and chores seeking attention. Here we are back to grinding again. Some vacuums cruise cold tile floors for stimulation. Another example of lurking behavior. Lonely vacuums may seek out and sniff the master's clothing repeatedly. Other lonely vacuums may pine by the warm fireplace hearth. Owning a robotic vacuum is a great responsibility and should be taken seriously.